Welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the XQuery syntax. In the previous session, we have discussed certain concepts from XQuery requirements, and some simple examples using XQuery we have discussed. In this session, elaborately we will see XQuery syntax and the rules and regulations for the syntax, and how to use all those syntax in the example program. Those things we will see in this session. The XQuery syntax rules are case sensitive. Uppercase letter is different from lowercase letter. So XQuery is case sensitive language. Suppose when we are declaring variables or any other construct, we should remember the case, uppercase, lowercase, in the place of declaration as well as in the place of reference. And second one, XQuery elements, attributes and variables must be valid XML names. In the first session itself, you have discussed XML valid names. What are all the rules and regulations for valid XML names? Those rules need to be followed here in the XQuery elements, attributes and variables concern. XQuery string value can be quoted. Suppose you are declaring an attribute or variable, then you must enclose the value either using single quote or double quote. And then XQuery variable is defined with and referenced using dollar symbol and followed by the name. Example, $bookstore. So when we are declaring variables in XQuery, that should be defined as well as referred by means of dollar symbol followed by the name. And then if you want, you can give the comments for XQuery. If you want, you can give the comments for XQuery. The comments are delimited by colon, and then the comments and then colon. Starts with the colon, ends with colon, in between colon. We can give our comments regarding the program or XQuery syntax. And then this particular XML we are going to refer throughout the session. XML version 1.0, encoding UTF-8, and then bookstore. In the bookstore, we can have lot of books. In the bookstore, we can have lot of books. Bookstore. And then category equal to. This is also very important because we are going to apply category and filtering conditions based on category. And then title, language equal to EN, everyday Italian, and then author and year, price. And another category, children category is included here, Harry Potter, year 2005 and $29.99. And then book category, web, and other book is also comes under web category. Web category and web category. So we are having different books category, title, author, year, price. So that this particular XML file we are going to refer throughout the session. If then else expression is allowed. If then expression is available in XQuery, conditional expressions, right? So as like the other languages, XQuery is also defines conditional expressions, if then else. See here, $x. As I said previously, $x will be used to declare variable as well as see $x declaration as well as reference. For $x in doc of books.xml, we are going to refer books.xml, and then where we can use the root element bookstore and refer the elements book. So all books are referred here. We are going to process all those books It is available in the books.xml as well as in root element bookstore. Return, right? We are going to return some value based on some condition. If $x slash, this is the attribute we are going to use for the condition. $x, our own variable, we are declaring that variable in the for loop. That should be referred here. At category equal to children, right? If the category is children, then those elements, those books are displayed using child tag, All other web category and cooking category comes under adult, By using our own tag, we are going to display the content. As well as we are going to print the title alone. Data of title, that is very important. Title tag is not displayed. Instead of displaying title tag, the content available in the title will be displayed when we are using data. And then the closing element slash child. This is a user defined element. And then adult. The other titles will be displayed using adult, so that is closing tag. So this is the result of this previous query. See the previous program. See cooking, right? How many category available? Cooking, web, and then children, right? As we have given category equal to children means that should be displayed in child. Otherwise, it is displayed in the adult tag. See here, only one book comes under children category, so that child, Harry Potter, child. The remaining books are displayed in adult. Web category, cooking category, both the category displayed in adult form. And then, if you want to give any comparison operator, as I said previously, we can give the conditional expressions in XQuery, so that obviously the conditional expressions may include comparison operator, equal to, not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. All those operators we can make use of for comparison. Suppose if we are not using those operators, we are having value comparison, that can be done by using EQ, equal, not equal, NE, LT, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. We can use this kind of symbolic names for the comparison of values. Example is given here: bookstore, book, $Q greater than 10, $Q greater than 10. Symbol used, comparison operator used, symbolic constant used here. At Q greater than GT 10. Either you can use operators or symbolic constants you can use for XQuery comparison. And then we can add elements and attributes to the result. See, already we are going to process XML document. XML document itself, it contains a lot of elements, attributes, and so on. Apart from that, if you want to use your own element, your own attribute in the result, right? When we are displaying the result, we are fetching the content from the XML document. We are going to display the content as a result. When we are displaying the result, we can include any elements if you want, or attributes if you want. That is possible by means of the following syntax. See here, to include elements and attributes. To include elements and attributes, we can make use of for $x in document, $x in document, $x in document, and then books.xml, bookstore, book title. We are going to fetch the title element, ordered by $x. See here, ordered by $x and return $x. Then title along with attribute. As I said previously, title along with attribute. Everyday Italian and Harry Potter, Learning XML, XQuery, Kickstarter, all those things displayed in this tag, in this title tag. If the user wants to add, as I said previously, you can use whatever tags already available in the XML that you can print, or extra elements can be included. Either that may be your own element, as like child and adult in the previous example. You can add your own elements in the result, or HTML elements can also be included here. In the previous example, what is available in the XML document title tag, that is displayed. Here we are going to add HTML elements and text in our example, XQuery example. See, HTML, body, and then H1, bookstore. In header 1 format, bookstore is displayed, and then unordered list UL, and then open braces, close braces, for $x in doc, $x in doc books.xml /bookstore/book, and then order by $x title, order by $x title. See, another important point, LI, HTML tag included in the result. This is the result display, data of title, whatever content available in the title tag, that is displayed using data function, and then that is displayed using LI tag. In the result, we are getting HTML body H1 UL, and then see here, by using HTML elements LI, the result is displayed. The result everyday Italian, and then category is also displayed in the program, right? Category is also available. There is also I need to print. So category equal to cooking. See, this is book name, book title, and then category is cooking. See, category is not available there. I am including the category here. HTML element is included in the result. If you want, you can do like this, and then add attributes to the HTML document. Any category attributes or any other classes you need, right? See, I think you may remember that in HTML, class, ID, like attributes available in div, like attributes available in all tags. If you want to include that kind of class attribute in the HTML document, class attribute in the HTML document, you can include class LI. See, LI class equal to category, class equal to category, class equal to, within double quotes the data will be displayed, and then closing tag, and then value for the title, value for that category, title is displayed here. So previously we are displaying independent HTML elements. Within LI we are displaying category as well as data, title data. Here LI tag or LI element, we are including class attribute, and then category is displayed in the class attribute of LI. See the results. As usual, HTML body and H1 is displayed, and then unordered list LI. See, previously only LI, now LI class equal to cooking, and then title is displayed. Class equal to children, and book title is displayed. Likewise, if you want to include any extra attribute like class ID or div, like attributes, if you want to add, then that should be done using the following syntax, right? If LI class equal to and data $x category and $x title. By using this, we are able to display the content using extra attributes which is defined by the HTML language, and then selecting and filtering the elements. See, sometimes you don't want to get all book title, right? All book title. You want to get only the respective book title based on some conditions. In that case, either you can give a path expression or floor expression. Already we have discussed the comparison between path expression and floor expression. You can apply either path expression or floor expression. If you are using floor expression, then for loop, fmin for, so f for $x in doc of books.xml, right? $x in doc of books.xml and bookstore book. I am going to search for book. Search for book. I want to apply some filtering conditions. Based on the filtering conditions, I am going to display only specific information like title. So I am going to apply the conditions here. See, price $x, price greater than 30, order by where $x slash price greater than 30, and order by $x slash title, return $x slash title. So we are applying the condition price greater than 30 and then title. For class, in the previous example, in for class simply we are fetching the book element. From that, title element is displayed based on price greater than 30 condition. Apart from that, if you want, you can include variables in the for class. Right? In the for class, binds a variable to each item returned by the expression. See, previously what we are doing, the title is alone displayed. Now, along with the title, I want to display 1, 2, 3, 4 number. How to do that? For $x in 1 to 5, and then $x gets printed using test. Right? See here, with the test tag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 displayed, because the condition we are giving 1 to 5. So 1, 2, 3 we will be getting here as a result. The same thing we are including in the previous example, $x at $i. See here, for $x at, we need to use at keyword for displaying extra numbering along with the fetched content from the XML document. So that at $i, that should be included in the expression. For $x at $i in document books.xml slash bookstore slash book slash title, and then return book, my own tag book, $i dot data of $x, data of $x. In $x what is available? Title is fetched and it is available in the $x, that is displayed. So title is displayed along with 1, 2, 3 numbering, along with 1, 2, 3 numbering. So book is closed. So this is the result. See here, instead of displaying only title, Everyday Italian, Harry Potter, XQuery, Kickstart Learning XML, here 1, 2, 3, 4 additionally displayed. This is possible only when we are having variable with the dollar symbol and at keyword. By using these two, we are able to include extra informations into the content of XML document. Suppose two-dimensional for loop. If you want, you can include that. Two-dimensional, I mean for, in other languages, for I equal to 0 to 5. In the next, for j equal to 1 to 5. For I equal to 1 to 5, for j equal to 1 to 5. Likewise, we are able to declare two-dimensional array here using for loop. Here, for $x in 10, 20, $x in 10, 20, and then comma $y in, see $x in 10, 20, and $y in 100, 200. It means for I equal to 10. First 10 taken, and then this is inner loop. Let us say $y is in inner loop, 100 and 200 printed for 10. See here, x equal to 10, y equal to 100. X equal to 10, y equal to 200. So x is fixed and y is incremented, gets printed. And then again x is 20, then y is 100 and y is 200 for x equal to 20. That is given here. If you want to include two-dimensional array, then $x in 10, 20, comma, this is very important, $y in 100, 200, within the test element, my own element. So within the test element, the content is displayed, x equal to $x and y equal to $y. Obviously that should be included within braces, So this is the result we are getting by using two-dimensional or inner for loop, outer for loop structure in XQuery. And then let class. In the let class, we can assign some value to a variable. Let $x, right? Let $x colon equal to, let $x colon equal to 1 to 5 within bracket 1 to 5, and then you can print by using $x, because we have assigned 1 to 5 to $x. When we are referring $x, automatically the value assigned to that variable will be printed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gets printed as a result. See here, let is a keyword, $x is a variable, colon equal to what are the possible values we are going to give in the variable that is given here, 1 to 5. See, what is the benefit of this kind of assignment? It avoids repeating same expressions again and again many times. That is the benefit we are getting. 1 to 5 in a single statement, we are giving all values that can be allocated or assigned to variable x is given here. And then in the next one, var and order class, by using var class, we can give or we can include one or more criteria. Based on the criteria, the result is fetched and that will be printed during the result. Var $x equal to, right, $x slash price greater than 30, $x slash price less than 100. So between 30 and 100, I want to display. This is the expression used in var class. Order by class, by default, in which order available in the document, same order the content is displayed. I want to display the content in ascending order, then we can make use of order by. Not only that, suppose two or more elements we are fetching, like category, title. You want to sort the result by using category. Then that is possible here using order by class. See, for $x in document books.xml, bookstore root element, book element, and then order by category, comma, title. Same category available, then based on title. As like the other languages, we are having sorting process. Same sorting process can be done with order by clause in XQuery. Here we can give more number of elements for sorting. Suppose in category equality available, then it uses title for displaying the content. Return $x title, result equal to result, right? We are getting title, first one Harry Potter, because it is children category, so it is displayed first, and then cooking category next, everyday Italian, and then web category in the alphabetical order, W comes last. So learning XML and XQuery kickstart. Based on the category, we are printing the result. And then return class. What should be returned? What should be returned is mentioned by using return class. Already in the previous example also we have that example. Return $x title, return $x title, return $x title, and then see the example here for $x in document books.xml, and then bookstore and book, and $x title will be displayed. $x title is displayed. So see, we are getting this result as a execution of previous query. And then there are 4 data types defined by the XQuery: XST string, XST date, XST numeric, and miscellaneous. These 4 data types can be used in the XQuery. String, a sequence of characters, you know that. Date format, and then numeric, integer or number values can be given using this format. Hybrid form of string and numeric, alpha numerals or date and numerals, date and string. If you want to display in the mixed mode values, then we can make use of miscellaneous, MISC. And then function call. We can define functions, or predefined functions can be called. If you want to call the function, then I want to display all titles in uppercase. So I can make use of uppercase of $book title, that can be defined. So all book titles can be displayed in uppercase. Example is, if you want to include the function call statement within the predicate of path expression, then we need to use square bracket. Substring is a function from the title. I am going to extract the substring functions. As like other languages, substring function is used to extract a part of the string from the original string. So title, 1, 5. Which title? The title starts with Harry. So that should be extracted. 1 to 5 characters extracted. And then if you want to include the same function call statement in let class, then substring within normal bracket, substring of $book title, 1, 4. Substring, as I said previously, it is used to extract a string of characters from the given string book title, first index to 4 characters. First index starts from first index and 4 characters can be extracted, and it is stored in the name variable. If you want to define user defined functions, then that is also be possible here. User defined functions can be defined in XQuery. That should be defined in a separate library. What is the syntax followed for defining XQuery user defined function? See, declare is a keyword, function is a keyword, and then prefix colon function name. This is the user defined one. Prefix colon username, and then parameters as data type. You can include, as like the other languages, you can include any number of parameters into the data type separated by comma, and then function open braces. And also after giving the parameter, we need to give the return type as return type, and then function code here and put semicolon, open braces, close braces, and closing braces, put semicolon. And in example, declare function keyword, min price is a function name, prefix is local colon, and then first parameter and second parameter. See, first parameter $P, the data type of $P is excess colon decimal, $D is also decimal, return type is also decimal. See, return type is also decimal. What I am doing here, let disk, I am multiplying $P and $D and divided by 100, that results. Result of that expression is stored in disk and returned $P minus $disk. Obviously the return type is decimal, so I'm getting the decimal. So the usage is min price, right? Usage is within the angle bracket. How to call the function? For calling the function, as I said, name. See here, function name min price, local min price of the condition should be given. Up to this, the XQuery syntax is over. Thanks for listening. Remaining topics we will see in the next session. Thanks for listening. Thank you. In the next session, we will see some examples.